Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, the number x is divisible by 9. The number x square equals to 2825. What digit does a represent? Given that x is divisible by 9. So, x square is also divisible by 9. So, x square equals to 2825 is divisible by 9. Now, as we know that if the number is divisible by 9, then the sum of the digits of that number is divisible by 9. So, 2 plus a plus 2 plus 5, that is 9 plus a, is divisible by 9. So, for that, this 9 plus a will always be greater than or equals to 9. Suppose 9 plus a equals to 9. So, this implies a equals to 0. So, the number be x square equals to 2025, and that 2025 is divisible by 9, which is 225. Hence, and this is square of 15. Hence, x square equals to 225. That is x square equals to 2025. That is, a represents number 0. Hence, our correct option is option A, which is 0.